How to make a Uber Eats driver account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC, or you can go ahead and simply install Uber driver app from the App Store or Google Play Store. So once you have opened the browser in the search bar, simply search for uber.com/driver and you'll then be able to land in this kind of interface. You want to go ahead and tap on sign up. So in this process, you'll need your full name, your social security number, date of birth, driver's license information, and vehicle's details. Also, you will need to upload a clear current driver license or photo ID, a profile picture that looks like you, and a proof of vehicle insurance. And after that, Uber will conduct a background screening, which typically takes 3 or 5 business days. And then, once approved, you'll receive a notification that you're ready to start delivering. Also note that if you will be using a car, you must be at least 19 years old and have a 2-door or 4-door car and a valid driver's license and also a proof of insurance. If it's gonna be a scooter, requirements are similar to car delivery, but ensure your scooter is under 50cc and meets local regulations. And lastly, if it's a bicycle or on foot, you must be at least 18 years old and have a valid government issued photo ID. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.